Hi everyone! One of the core ideas that I love implementing at both B2B companies and B2C companies is building a social funnel. And in this video, I will teach you how you can do that. I'm a really big fan of building a social funnel. I don't just want to show people ads to immediately buy my service because they're not ready for that. We need to warm them up and get them ready to buy from us. First thing that we do is top of the funnel. I love to use Facebook, this also works on LinkedIn, is top of the funnel, we show a video. We show this to a very broad audience. This is a lookalike audience. Lookalike means that it's based on your existing visitors and you tell Facebook, make me an audience that really looks like my current audience. So that's what we call a lookalike audience. So you show your top of the funnel video ad to a lookalike audience, and you also make an interest-based audience. So we try to guess like these are the things that these people will like, and we show the video to this very broad audience. At that point, we're just interested in them watching the entire video, watching 25%, watching 50%, because these video views are rather cheap. Once we have those new audience of interested people, we can retarget them. So we show them new ads. But at this point, it's not so much a top of the funnel ad, which just generating some awareness around the problem, making sure that people that saw it are actually the people that might also benefit from your product. In the next phase, we're going to retarget them. And in these retargeting ads, you can talk a bit more about the problem they're having, about how your product could help, maybe some use cases. Maybe that's also the moment to introduce some white papers, some ebooks, some webinars. All that is possible in the retargeting. I'm not saying that retargeting should just be then one phase, but the retargeting can also be second level retargeting underneath there, whatever that fits your Facebook retargeting funnel. Once you're able to get them to your website, in some cases they will be ready to buy, in other cases they definitely are not. And what you can do then to already capture their information is to have them download a lead magnet, have them download a white paper, a checklist, maybe attend a webinar. And once you capture their information, you can start an email nurture journey. And in this email nurture journey, you try to convince them of the problem that they're having, about the solution you're having. And I really love to do this by telling stories of people that are very similar to them. Introduce that character, introduce the problem, and show the journey that they did to actually solve that issue. Then once that is successful, you will then lead them back to your website or retarget them with dynamic product ads if you're in a B2C, or try to schedule a call with one of your salespeople if you're in B2B to then eventually land some extra sales. This is how I like to look at building a social funnel.